You already know I'm late for something. This is becoming a really bad habit of mine, but I wanted to get this out so that I can put this back on the table. So, oh, yeah, this came out perfect. Oh yeah. Woohoo. Yeah, this is worth it. I'm not gonna do the others because I want to come around and do it properly. So I'm gonna leave those two where they are. But this is doing exactly what it was supposed to. Yes. Actually, I ended up with an extra because I made them thick. I love this. So here we are. The green is a little off, but they're all the coasters are the same color, and you can see the gold on each side. Oh yeah, it's just a green and gold tint. Here for it, love it. Bye.